Hey guys, it's Bear here with JTP Preparedness, helping you prepare not for your doomsday, but your everyday. Today I am going to show you how to make these wicking bed containers, and it's really easy, real simple. This tub here, I went and picked up at Menards for, I don't know, I think it was like $6-7, something like that. So basically you get yourself a big container like this, and you get some of this drain here. This is 6-inch. I cut pieces just big enough to fit in the bottom, like so. You take a drill bit and you drill a hole 5 inches up. That way you get some air in there, and you only get 5 inches of water. And then there's some air in between there and the pipes to kind of help keep things working properly. Then you take landscape fabric, and you want to get some good landscape fabric, not the cheap stuff. You want to get the professional grade stuff that's a little bit thicker, and you just kind of push that inside of here. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it to cover up so you don't get dirt inside those tubes. That's the main thing. You don't want dirt in those tubes. So kind of push it down, and then you get yourself a PVC pipe. This is 1 inch, just because I had it. I kind of cut it at a slight angle. I don't know if you can really see that there. Just so that way it doesn't sit flat on the bottom. And then you stick that down inside here before you fill it with dirt, and that will be where you add water. And what'll happen is you put your soil on top, and then you pour the water in there, and the water will wick up through there and wick through the soil, and you really won't have to do water. You'll fill it maybe once a week or something like that, depending on how hot it is in your area. But it's going to work great. So I'll get this out of the way. I'll show you. So far I have compost in here from my local compost site, and I've got that. I'm going to mix that with some other organic soil, and I'll put some rock dust and a little bit of worm castings in there, and just kind of mix it up, and that's what we'll be filling this with. I can show you here. I'll leave a link below, but I always use the azomite rock dust. I mix that in with everything. I got that from Growing Your Greens years ago, and it works. I've been doing it. And then just some worm castings here. Add those in. So I'll show you what I do. Here I got the compost in there already. Just take my thing and sprinkle the rock dust right on top, like so. The same thing with some worm castings. Sprinkle those on top of that. And this season, I'm using this Miracle Grow stuff, this organics. This stuff really looks like it's going to work awesome. I don't know, I can't speak for sure. I've never used it before, it's new, but they did have a rebate out on it, and I'm not sure if they currently do. But I got, these bags were $10 a piece, and then if you bought 5 of them, you got $10 off. So basically 5 of them for $40, which isn't a bad deal for a nice organic soil. This is mixed with aged compost, so it's blended with aged compost. It's supposed to be up to 2 times more bounty guaranteed. Organic and natural ingredients. So we'll see how it works this year. I'm going to use, so basically it'll be half this, half my local compost, and then with the worm castings and the rock dust. I'll get that mixed up here in the wheelbarrow, and then I'll fill this up and show you where we're at. Hey guys, don't forget to get your JTP gear at the Teespring store. Get it now, get it while it's hot. We got t-shirts, sweatshirts, tank tops, leggings, coffee mugs, stickers, phone cases, you name it, we got it. Link below, Teespring store, Journey to Preparedness. Don't forget to check out the website, journeytopreparedness.net. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll get back to the video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share with your friends and family. Again, give us a follow. Get your gear at the Teespring store. Link below. Back to the video. All right, guys, so here I got it all topped off now. And this stuff here, this extra stuff, you can just trim right off here. If you got anything hanging over, it's not a big deal. If you want to make it look better, you know, just trim this off and you'll be all right. Just like that. There. Trim that off like that. I'll get this side here too, I guess. But there, got that all trimmed off. This is all nice and level. This is great. These are great because if you don't have a lot of time, you can fill it up with water. And again, like I said, all you got to do pretty much is water it like once a week, you know, maybe a couple times a week in the summertime, you know. These won't take up a lot of space. Rock in there. This won't take up a lot of space, you know. I mean, you can do this on a balcony or, you know, back patio, whatever, somewhere, you know, right out in your front yard. You can get different, you know, if you want to decorate it up or something like that, if you don't want this sitting in your front yard. You know, you can use a different type of style pot, something looks a little better, but just make sure you be able to drill that hole without, you know, you don't want to use something that's going to break or anything. You know, and if you don't use organic soil, it's fine too. Just get yourself doing something, you know. It's not too late yet. You still have time, at least to do, you know, I mean, you don't have to do the wicking pots. They just make it watering easier. You can do just a regular pot like this and grow in it and just throw a couple out there and grow something you like. You know, it's not too late to plant yet, especially if you're in the northern climate like we are. You can just get something, get a couple pots and try doing something, and, you know, start small. You don't have to go big right away. You know, start with a couple and then continue to grow out. But I really think these are going to work. I'd like to thank Arms Family Homestead for this idea. That's where I got it from, so I give a shout out to him, because I think this is really cool. I think it's going to work awesome, and I'm going to be doing a few more of these and planting some things, lining them up. So yeah, pretty excited about it. Get out there, get yourself planted, get something going. All right, get yourself planted, get something going. It's not too late. Just do a couple now, and, you know, get them on your porch or your deck or something like that, and, you know, start simple, and then you can grow from there. You know, if you don't have a backyard, you can do it on your patio or a balcony at your apartment. You know, just get a couple pots and grow a couple vegetables you like, and start with that. If you can't, you know, you don't want to pay the extra money for the organic soil, just get yourself some potting soil. Any mix is fine. If you're doing it your way without putting any chemicals or anything like that, it's gonna be way better than anything store-bought anyways. So just doing it yourself and getting your hands in the dirt and working in there is gonna be awesome. All right, hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like, hit the bell for notifications for every time we put out a new video. Share this with your friends. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Don't forget to check out the website, journeytopreparedness.net. Sign yourself up with the email list. Hit the links below in the description for any of the items. I'll have the worm castings and the rock dust in there, so you can order those right away from Amazon. Again, I am an affiliate for Amazon, so I do get a little bit of something if you do order from there. But if you want to support me and what we're doing, that'd be great. Till next time, this has been Bear with Journey to Preparedness, helping you prepare not only for your doomsday, but your everyday. Peace, love, all right, guys. So I got this thing back here in place up on my garden. Planted the ghost pepper plant there that we picked up. So watered it in, ready to go. I'm really hoping this little guy just takes off, man. Like I said, I'm really excited about this. This thing held like 4 gallons of water, and so just imagine that, not having to water, you know, worry about watering every day or anything like that. It just wicks right up from the bottom to keep that soil nice and moist, and can't wait to see what this thing produces. So follow along on the journey this summer as we watch this thing grow and get some nice hot ghost peppers. All right, thanks guys.